Hello, we're back testing SMECs, and here we are with our SMEC adapter and our 2.5 common block. Want to show you something interesting. So here we are. Gonna start the car. Everything looks perfectly normal. So just a moment. Okay, and we're back. Let's try it again. Oh, what's going on with the RPMs? Maybe I have a bad spec. Or maybe not. Let's take that and go back down to the lab. We also know that a vibrating or bouncing tach can also be a bad HEP. Just before we go back down to the lab, I want to actually explain what I did. The first run was actually with this particular logic board. This is out of my 88 Shelby Z. And lo and behold, we have one here that causes that problem and also gives an error 54 on the ECU. Same sort on the exact same logic module. So, yes, the bouncing can be a HEP, but in this particular case, it's definitely not the HEP. It is a difference in the module. So let's go do some troubleshooting on that.